how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a crewmate, and Among Us crewmate holding a mini crewmate in his hands. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. It's only going to be an 8-minute video, so if you like learning how to draw this stuff, don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Super short, really simple, step by step, okay? That's pretty much all you need to know, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by drawing the baby crewmate. So it's going to start relatively small. So I'm going to go over here, draw a very, very small curve. Not that small, but smallish curve. Curve over here. Curve on this side. And essentially you're drawing this bloated square like rectangle. Going to go over here, curve on the top of the head. Down, it's back. Line over here, out, down, and that's going to be for the foot, right? And I'm going to go over here and draw the other foot down there. I'm not going to complete it yet because what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the hand of the crewmate holding him. So I'm going to go over here and draw a curve right here for the thumb area. I'm going to pull here, and I'm going to draw the hand down here. It's got like these snowman hands. Going to go over here on this side, thumb on that side, down, curve underneath. You can actually draw fingers on him too, because they do have fingers sometimes, and that hand that pops up out of nowhere every now and then. So I can draw lines like so. Now I'm going to draw the big crewmate's visor. So I'm going to start with the bottom part of that visor. Curve along the left over here, curve along the right. Curve at the top. Alright, then what I do here is I'm going to curve for the top of the head. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a really long curve for his body right here. So right here. Go over here on this side. Underneath, up, underneath, down. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw just a little bit over here, a little bit over here. I'm gonna draw what that is gonna be the backpack. Right, it's gonna be the top edge of the backpack. Curve down, almost to the lower body, but not quite on one side. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Draw a line over here, and I'm gonna go curve over here. And we want him to be, well, so next thing is I'm going to draw the reflective surface on the mask. So I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw like a curve. I'm trying to draw a thicker line too because I want it to look not quite like the other lines over here. Go over here, curve over here. Line over here. It's kind of like change the shape of that. Line over here. Line over here. And so that's what I'm trying to do, is trying to make the illusion of like a reflective surface just in the glass. It's going to be There's a lot of different ways to do it. So now I'm going to do is I'm going to draw like a thicker line around just the outside, like the outside line. And I want to stickerfy it. I always call it that. Stickerfy it. If you do like this, let me know by pressing that like button. It's really going to let me know, to draw more Among Us stuff or more various, different Among Us stuff. Absolutely do that. It helps the algorithm out. It kind of, again, it lets me know what to do more of. Because sometimes I'm on here and I'm like, I don't know what to do more of. Like, what can I do? There's playlists of so many things. So go check those out if you have time. Just kind of like, again, like that thicker line gives it that illusion that it is like, not illusion, sorry, I guess it is an illusion. Obviously it's all an illusion, um, but it contains these complicated shapes so that your eye knows where to wander, and it just kind of gives it some extra oomph to it. So that's kind of what we're trying to do here. But yeah, hopefully that comes across and is very useful to you. Just thickening out some of these lines as well because some of them look a little too thin. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments section. Um, it really helps me out. If you can hear my voice right now, that means you watched the whole lesson. Say hi to me, and I will say hi back to literally every single comment that says hi. I will reply to every single comment. I'm going to say that now. Do that and it will be awesome. Okay. Whew. Let me see. We'll go over here. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will see you in the next video. Let me know what you think. And that's pretty much it. Okay. Let me see what else. As far as announcements goes, check out the description. There's a lot of things there that are going to make you a better artist. So if you are interested in like an ebook on how to draw cute, how to draw, like my Skillshare programs. There's Skillshare programs and like how to do so much, like anatomy or the basics of drawing. It's all for beginners. Go check that out. You get it free. I think initially. So go check that out. You get like a free month if you sign up to Skillshare right now. That's pretty much it. I will talk to you next time. Hit me up in the comment section, and I will see you soon. Remember, when you're drawing, remember to keep it easy and fun for yourself. Talk to you later.